So I was thinking, you see no end of folks on YouTube creating amazing wood designs, whether it be tables, chopping boards or marquetry artwork. But you rarely see those designs incorporated into wooden rings. It's usually a couple of contrasting wood species, an inlay with epoxy or a Dremel carving. I mean, is it possible to make rings with really intricate designs out of only wood? In this series, I take on the challenge to try and create the world's greatest wooden ring. So this is the first design I've opted for in this series. What I'll be using for this is some oak burr, some ash, some mahogany veneer, a simple and elegant start. Let's get it stuck together. So there we have the wood stuck together. If you want to see that process, comment stick together, then I'll include that in future videos. UV resin creates a high gloss, tough and durable coating that brings out the wood grain and protects the wood from moisture, scratches and everyday wear. I know what you're thinking. That can't be the greatest wooden ring in the world. And you're right. So we'll have to try again. Stay tuned for attempt number 2.